Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to take the problems, a very good number of problems from the conic section, especially hyperbola and parabola ellipse. Okay now, right. Let us see this first problem. The locus of a point P alpha comma beta moving under the condition that the line y is equal to alpha x plus beta is a tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is. So, first of all, there is an hyperbola is given. Its equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. The locus of a point P alpha comma beta moving under the condition that the line y is equal to alpha x plus beta. So, this is equal to y is equal to alpha x plus beta is a tangent to the line. That means here alpha comma beta is a point such that the tangent y is equal to alpha x plus y is equal to alpha x plus beta is a tangent to the line. Okay. Now, we know that what is the equation of the tangent? We know that equation of the tangent. So, we know that equation of the tangent is equal to how much? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. This is the equation of the tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. But it is given, what is the equation of the tangent? Y is equal to alpha x plus beta. Y is equal to alpha x plus beta. Both represents the same line. It is according to the formula. It is given in the data. Okay, now let us compare x coefficient is equal to how much? M. Here x coefficient is equal to how much? Yes, alpha is equal to m. So, here beta is equal to root of a square m square minus b square. Therefore, beta square is equal to a square m square minus b square. Now, we required an equation in alpha and beta. Okay. So, this is equal to beta square is equal to a square into, in place of m square, can I write down alpha square? Yes, alpha square minus beta square. This is the equation of the locus. Now, generally equation of the locus we represent in x and y. So, therefore, alpha is x, beta is y. So, y square is equal to a square x square minus b square. So, take y square to that side. So, therefore, a square x square minus y square is equal to b square x square by. So, this is a b square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, clearly, so this is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, this is the equation of the hyperbola. So, the locus is the equation of the hyperbola. So, this is a very important one of the important model. Okay now, right. I hope that you understand this concept. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. For the hyperbola x square by cos square alpha minus y square by sin square alpha is equal to 1, which of the following remains constant when alpha varies? When alpha varies, which of the following will remains constant? What is that? Abscissa of the vertices are, that means x coordinate of the vertex. Abscissa of the foci, that means x coordinate of the foci. Eccentricity or directrix, which remains constant when alpha varies. Eccentricity, actually all these four are variables, okay, variable quantities. So, the equation of the directrix will change, the value of the eccentricity will change, x coordinates of the foci, vertices, all will change, all will be variables depending upon the alpha value. Okay now, but he is asking which remains constant. Okay now, so let us solve this problem. First of all, to find out the abscissa of the vertices or foci, eccentricity, directrix, we want a value, b value. Let us find out this a value, b value. So, this is the equation is x square by cos square alpha minus y square by sin square alpha is equal to 1. So, compare the standard form with x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, a square is equal to cos square alpha, b square is equal to sin square alpha. Okay, now cos square alpha, sin compare. Now we know that for the hyperbola, eccentricity is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square. Understand? Now substitute there here. So this implies E is equal to root of a square plus b square. Sin square plus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to how much? 1 by a square value is equal to how much? Cos square alpha. Therefore, totally E is equal to secant alpha. Okay, na? So we got E is equal to secant alpha. We got E is equal to secant alpha. Now, what is AE value? What is A value? A square is equal to cos square alpha. A value is cos alpha into secant alpha, that is equal to 1. AE is equal to 1. Now, see the foci. What is the plus or minus AE comma 0? What is the foci of the hyperbola? Plus or minus AE comma 0. So, this is equal to plus or minus 1 comma 0. AE value is 1, A comma 0. Understand? So, very, very easy problem. That means here any alpha value is there? No. Alpha value is there? No. So, even though whatever may be the alpha value in this equation, so the foci is always plus or minus 1 comma 0. Therefore, even though alpha varies, the foci of the hyperbola is remains constant. So, option B is the correct answer. Okay, now. So, very easy problem this is. So, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. See here, this also very important model. Okay, so we can understand this problem by drawing the diagram. So first let us read the problem completely. The ellipse x square plus 4y square is equal to 4 is inscribed in a rectangle aligned with the coordinate axis. Okay, it is first of all the ellipse is there, it is inscribed in a rectangle. First there is a rectangle is there, inside one ellipse is there, which in turn is inscribed in another ellipse. Again that rectangle is inscribed in another ellipse which passes through the point 4 comma 0. Then the equation of the ellipse is. Then how to do this problem? Let us draw the diagram. So here let us take the x-axis and it is y-axis. Okay. First take the rectangle. There is a rectangle is there. So this is a rectangle. Right. In this rectangle, okay, so that is the meaning of this. The rectangle, there is an ellipse. What is that ellipse? X square plus 4y square is equal to 4. That means x square plus 4y square is equal to 4. Solution. So this is x square by 4, y square by 1 is equal to 1. A square is equal to 4, b square is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. There is an ellipse inscribed. There is an ellipse inscribed in this rectangle. Here a value is 2, b value is 1. Definitely this point will be 2 comma 0. Why? Because a value 2. That means from this origin to this point 2 comma 0. Put it like that. Now he is saying that this rectangle is in turn inscribed in another ellipse that passes through the point 4 comma 0. So where will be the 4 comma 0? So it will be the 4 comma 0 approximately. Again this ellipse is this rectangle inscribed in another ellipse which passes through the point 4 comma 0. Now we have to find out the equation of this ellipse. This ellipse we have to find out, outside ellipse. We have to find out the equation of the outside ellipse. Okay, now let us start that. So to find the equation of the outside ellipse, so we know the a value. So a value is equal to how much? 4 comma 0. So a value is equal to how much? 4 comma 0. So for a new ellipse, let the equation of the new ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Since this ellipse passes through 4 comma 0, we can easily write down, substitute here 4. So this is equal to 4 square, that is a 16 by a square, y value is 0, b square is equal to 1, otherwise a square is equal to 16, a square is equal to 16, we got. Now if you know the b square value or b value, the problem is over. Then how to find out the b square value? Then to use so we will make use of this concept. So here a square value is, a value we got 2 and the b value we got 1. Then how to find out this b value? So if you find out this b value, the problem will be completed. Then how to get that b value means, let the equation of this ellipse is, x square by, already we have taken x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So let us continue the solution. Okay. So welcome back to this problem. So here let the rectangle be PQRS. We can find out the coordinates of P. How can we find out? The x coordinate is 2, the y coordinate is 1. How can you say that? So already see here, x square by 4, y square by 1 is equal to 1. So here a square is equal to 4, b square is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So that means this length is 2 and this length is 1. Therefore the point P is 2 comma 1. Already we have considered the equation of the ellipse as outside, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now the ellipse passes through the point P 2 comma 1. Let us substitute here. This is equal to how much? 2 square 4 by a square value, already we know that a square is equal to, a value is 4, a square already from here to here, the length is 4, a is equal to 4. So this is equal to 16 plus y square by, y value is equal to how much? 1. So this ellipse passes through the point 2 comma 1. Understand? Already we know that a square value is equal to 16. So we know this b square is equal to 1. 4 1s are 4, 4s are cancelled. So 1 by b square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So this is equal to b square is equal to 4 by 3. 1 by b square is equal to 4. So 3 by 4. B square is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So we know that a square value and b square value. Let us substitute that. X square by a square. A square means 16. Plus y square by b square. B square means how much? 4 by 3 is equal to 1. So the LCM is equal to 16. So multiply with the 16, x square plus this is equal to 12y square is equal to 16. So this is the equation of the ellipse, outside ellipse. Okay now. So very easy problem. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So first read the problem. Equation of the ellipse whose axis are the axis of the coordinates and which passes through the point -3 comma 1 and has eccentricity root of 2 by 5 is. Okay now. So it was asked in once, it is a mains problem. Once it was asked in one of the mains examinations. Let us see here. First equation of the ellipse we have to find out. What is let the equation of the ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now we have to find out a square and b square values, then the problem will be over. To find out a square and b square, what is the first hint given? This is passes through the point -3 comma 1. So this is a -3 comma 1. This ellipse passes through the point -3 comma 1. Then obviously we can substitute. In place of x we will substitute -3, in place of y substitute 1. So this is equal to 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 1. Right, we got a equation in a square b square, one equation. Then we required one more equation. For that eccentricity is given. What the eccentricity is given? So, E is equal to under square root of 2 by 5. What is eccentricity? So, eccentricity is given by root of a square minus b square by a square is equal to root of 2 by 5. Now, squaring on both sides and cross multiplication, we will get 5a square minus 5b square is equal to 2a square. Take 2a square to this left hand side. So, this is equal to 3a square is equal to 5b square. Call it as second equation. Now, solving 1 and 2, solve the equations solving 1 and 2, we will get a square is equal to 32 by 3, b square is equal to 32 by 5. Okay, now. Then the equation of the required ellipse is x square by 32 by 3, y square by 32 by 5 is equal to 1. So, this is 3x square plus 5y square minus 32 is equal to 0. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, now. So, very easy problem. So, just we there are two informations are given, we substituted and we get the answer. Okay, now. So, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So, it was given in 2004. So, it was given in 2004. Okay. So, let us see the problem. If a not equal to 0 and the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d is equal to 0 passes through the points of intersection of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax plus x square is equal to 4ay. That means the line that is 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d is equal to 0 passes through the point of intersection of these two parabola. Passes through the point of intersection of these two parabola. What are the equation of these two parabolas? This is a one parabola. So, these are the point of intersection. Now, the line is, so this is the line passing through the point of intersection of these two parabolas. So, always remember the point of intersection of these two parabolas are 0 comma 0 and another point is 4a comma 4a. Remember here. So, see here this 0 comma 0 satisfies both the equations and also 4a comma 4a, 4a 16a square, 4a into 4a 16a square. Here also 4a whole square 16a square, 4a into 4a 16a square. Understand this? So, this remember all these two points. Okay. So, one is 0 comma 0, another one is 4a comma 4a. Okay, now. Now, the line, this line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d passes through the point of intersection. Now, first substitute this point 0 comma 0 here. X is 0, y is 0, 4d is equal to 0. Therefore, d is equal to 0. We got one result. Again, you substitute 4a there. So, 2b into 4a plus 3c into 4a plus 4 into d is equal to 0. Already d value 0 we got. So, we can remove this is equal to 0. See here 4a we can cancel here. So, this is a 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. We got another equation. Now, see the answers. See the answers. So, let us combine these two equations. We know that. So, this is a d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square is equal to 0. D square plus 2b plus y, because d's value is 0, 2b plus 3c value is also 0. So, d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square value is 0. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. So, very logical problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So, this was also asked once in a JEE mains examination. Let us first read the question carefully. Let P be the point 1 comma 0 and Q be a point on the locus y square is equal to 8x. Then the locus of the midpoint of PQ is. First, let us draw the diagram. So, this is a x-axis and y-axis. Y square is equal to 8x. So this is equal to y square is equal to 8x. Let P be the point 1 comma 0. So somewhere this is a 1 comma 0, whether we can put it is outside or inside, no problem. Otherwise no question of any these things. There is a pointer. So let us take this point is 1 comma 0. That maybe we can check whether it is inside or outside. So depending upon the s value, y square minus 8x. Okay, now let us take s11 value. So this is 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Greater than 0 means it lies outside the outer part of the parabola. Okay, now right. So here y square value is, this is equal to 0, 8 into 1. So 8 into 1, that is equal to minus 8. It is less than 0. Therefore, this point of P 1 comma 0 lies interior of the light. So here y value is 0, x value is 1, 8 into 1, 8, 0 minus 8 less than 0 means the point lies interior of the parabola. Okay, now right. There is another point is there. So it is a q, some h comma or some, there is a point a q on the point y square is equal to 8x. Then the locus of the midpoint of PQ. So what is the midpoint of PQ? So this point we not, let us take this is a h comma k. Okay, h comma k is the midpoint of P and Q. Then how to find this midpoint? So here he is saying that Q is a point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Okay, now so let us calculate this like this. So this point we don't know. Let us call it as x1 and y1. Let this point be x1 comma y1. Now what is the midpoint of PQ? PQ midpoint x1 plus y1 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. It is equal to h comma k. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 1. So this implies x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to h. y1 plus 2 is equal to k. So this x1 is equal to 2h minus 1, y1 is equal to 2k. This x1 and y1 value lies on this parabola y square is equal to 8x. Therefore, this is a 2k whole square is equal to 8 into x means 2h minus 1. Okay, now. So this is equal to 4k square is equal to 8 into 2h minus 1. So this is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are. This is equal to k square is equal to 2 2s are 4h minus 2. So bring this side, k square minus 4h plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the equation of the locus is y square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore option A is the correct answer. Understand this? So very nice problem. This is once asked in JEE Mains examination. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems. Tomorrow's class will stand before you. Until then, all the best.